So I'm working on the truck today. I've been having some electrical problems with this thing, mainly in the motor department. And I'll edit in a little clip of what the motor has been doing right about now. That motor heats right up quick as shit. And it's smoking a little bit, you can see that there. And so what I'm going to do is just pull the motor out. It's been advised to me that possibly one of the brushes isn't working. So I'm going to pull the motor out, pull the brushes out, see what that looks like. And just kind of get into it, see if I can find a problem. Alright, so I got this motor apart, and the inside of this was pretty dirty. You can see, I can see it through the viewfinder, but in this cap here you can see all the little copper speckles in there from this thing was heating up and just chewing up these brushes. But the brushes got a good shiny surface to them, and aperture, whatever they call that, looks decent too. And like I said in my last video about this motor's pretty damn new. I only got, I'll be damned if I got 2 hours worth of runtime on it. So I'm honestly leaning towards the possibility of having electrical component issues such as the ESC or my BEC failing. I do run a 3-cell lipo, so perhaps the BEC is failing, or maybe it's just the ESC. I'm not sure, but I'm going to put this back together and just kind of hook the motor up without putting it to the truck. I'm going to plug this in and see what it does, just free spinning. I'm leaning towards maybe an electrical problem with the somewhere in my little electronics box there. We'll see. Let me get this put back together and see what this does. Alright, so I'm not gonna do it again because I'm just gonna wind up ruining this motor. It does the same thing. I mean, this is just, you know, out of the truck in my hand. It works, but you spin it up, and this in here just glows right up red, starts wanting to smoke. So I think I have a electrical problem inside my box here. Let me get this open. There we go. So, you know, I keep all my electronics in this little box for waterproofing issues. This thing leaned up. So I got my ESC here, which I do have a little bit of a bitch about. This is a Novak Eiger Pro. The programming on it, just, I can't get it to program right. My big problem with the programming is the neutral safety thing, where if it loses signal from the controller, it's supposed to just go dead neutral. Well, this thing's full on reverse. If I lose signal from the controller, it's just full reverse. And I've tried to reprogram it and do different things, and I just can't remedy that. And of course, here's the 3-cell BEC, which of course is on. If you can, I don't know, you can't really see the lettering right there. It says on. It looks like no, it's upside down, but that's on. So it is on. So I think either the BEC or the ESC itself is failing. So what I think I'm going to do is order a new ESC. I'm going to get a 3-cell compatible ESC and stay away from the BECs. In my opinion, it's just more to go wrong. I know Tekin makes a 3-cell compatible ESC, and there's a few other companies there too. So I'm going to research that, and I haven't been, like I said, I haven't been real happy with this Novak. So I'm just going to get away from that and try something different. I'm at this point thinking that one of these two are feeding way too much juice to my motor and just burning it up. So that's it for now. I gotta get online and try to order me some new stuff. Thanks for watching.